Hey guys, welcome to my channel Cricket Guru. So today, before giving the prediction, first of all, I would like to congratulate my viewers who made profit in today's Big Bash League match between Perth Scorchers and Adelaide Strikers. I had predicted that Adelaide Strikers would win the match, and that is what happened. I had suggested some key plays also to you guys for Dream 11 and other fantasy teams, and 8 out of my 9 plays which I suggested performed really well in today's match. These you can see these plays performed really well in today's match. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a full analysis of the fourth match of the Super Smash League between Otago Wolves versus Canterbury Kings. I'm also going to give you again some key player details so that you can play, you can use them in your Dream 11 and Fantasy League and other Fantasy League teams. So this match will be held at Molineux Park, Alexandra, which is in New Zealand. The local time would be around 4 p.m. According to Indian Standard Time, would be 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Otago Wolves had just played a match here yesterday against the Auckland Aces, which the Otago Wolves had won. It was a high-scoring game. In my last match, I told you that surface at Molineux Park is a batsman's paradise, and also the stadiums in New Zealand are comparatively smaller to other stadiums in the world. So I told you to expect a high scoring game, and that is what happened. Otago Wolves went to bat first, and they scored around 219 runs, and Auckland Aces scored around 174 runs. So it was a high scoring game, and we can expect a high scoring game once again in this match. This is the first match of Canterbury Kings this season, but they have dominated the other teams in 50 over cricket and are definitely one of the ones to watch out for. So let's talk about some of the key important players who I think would play a game changing moment for their teams. So if we talk about Otago Wolves, some of the key players for today's match would be Nick Kelly, Jacob Duffy, Mitchell McLennan, and Matthew Bacon. So these players performed really well in match one also and will continue to do so, I believe. For Canterbury Kings, some of the key players for today's match would be Chad Bowes, Leo Carter, Cole McConchie, and Matt Henry. Yeah. So now let's talk about the final verdict, guys. I'll give my final verdict. So according to me, according to my match prediction, the winner of match 4 of the Super Smash League between Otago Wolves and Canterbury Kings would be Otago Wolves. I think playing at Molineux Park, Otago Wolves will definitely have a home advantage, and they will be fully confident as they had already won a match against Auckland Aces here, scored plenty of runs. So guys, do bet on Otago Wolves for today's match and make huge profits. If you want to keep on getting regular winning prediction reports of cricket matches, then do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates. Also guys, you can join my Telegram channel for any last minute updates of all the reports. Do not forget to like my video as well. Your like gives me a lot of motivation. So see you guys in the next video. Cheers.